The P0175 code signifies that your engine's bank 2 is running with an air-fuel mixture that's too rich, meaning there's too much fuel and not enough air. In V-type engines, bank 2 is the side opposite cylinder 1. The ideal air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion is around 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. This rich condition is detected by oxygen sensors or air-fuel ratio sensors in the exhaust system. These sensors send data to the engine control unit, which adjusts fuel delivery. When the ECU cannot correct the rich condition, it triggers the P0175 code and illuminates the check engine light. Addressing this code promptly is essential for maintaining fuel efficiency and preventing potential engine damage. Several symptoms can indicate a P0175 code. These include rough idling, especially when the engine is cold. Poor acceleration or hesitation is another common symptom. A noticeable decrease in fuel economy, potentially 20 to 30%, can occur. Black smoke from the exhaust pipe is a clear sign. A strong fuel smell may be present. And of course, the illuminated check engine light. These symptoms can vary in severity depending on the underlying cause of the rich condition. If you notice any of these, it's time to investigate. The P0175 code can stem from several issues. These include leaking fuel injectors on bank 2, which inject too much fuel, a faulty fuel pressure regulator causing excessive fuel pressure, vacuum leaks on bank 2 drawing in unmetered air, confusing the ECU, a malfunctioning mass airflow MAF or manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor providing incorrect data, failing O2 sensors giving false readings, exhaust leaks before the O2 sensor, mimicking a rich condition, a restricted catalytic converter affecting exhaust flow, and rarely, ECU software problems or wiring harness issues. Modern vehicles, like Tesla's Cybertruck hybrids, use advanced diagnostics to predict these issues before they fully manifest. Begin diagnosing the P0175 code with a systematic step-by-step approach. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0175 code and clear any unrelated codes. Next, examine live data from O2 sensors, MAF sensor, and both short-term and long-term fuel trims. Check fuel trim values. High positive fuel trim over 10% on bank 2 shows the ECU compensating for richness. Perform a smoke test to check for vacuum leaks that could cause unmetered air entry. Inspect fuel injectors visually for leaks or clogs that could cause overfueling. Test fuel pressure, which should be between 49 to 58 psi for most vehicles. Clean the MAF sensor using a specialized cleaner to remove contaminants. Always rule out simple problems like sensor issues before moving to complex repairs. Repair solutions for the P0175 code vary depending on the underlying cause. Let's examine the most effective fixes for this common diagnostic trouble code. If a vacuum leak is detected, repair or replace the leaking hose or component. Vacuum leaks can draw in unmetered air, causing the system to run rich. Use a smoke test to identify leaks accurately. For a contaminated mass airflow sensor, clean it with specialized MAF cleaner or replace if damaged. Dirty MAF sensors provide inaccurate airflow readings, leading to rich fuel mixtures. Replace faulty fuel injectors on bank 2 if they are leaking or clogged. Leaking injectors deliver excess fuel, causing the rich condition. Test fuel pressure to confirm injector issues. Replace a malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator. A faulty regulator can cause excessive fuel pressure, leading to rich mixtures. Check pressure readings against specifications. Replace any faulty oxygen sensors. Bad sensors give incorrect air-fuel ratio readings, causing the ECU to overfuel the engine. Repair any exhaust leaks located before the oxygen sensor. Leaks can introduce false air, tricking the system into running rich. In some cases, a software update to the engine control unit can resolve software-related richness issues without hardware replacement. After any repair, Clear the P0175 code using a scan tool and monitor the system to ensure the problem is resolved and doesn't return. Real-world examples show how P75 codes manifest in different vehicles. Each case reveals unique causes and solutions. In a Ford Expedition from 2018 to 2022, a failing fuel pump relay led to intermittent richness and the P0175 code. The repair involved replacing the relay and resetting the ECU, which restored normal operation. A Chevrolet Silverado 1500 from 2020 and later experienced a clogged air filter that contaminated the mass airflow sensor, triggering the P0175 code. Replacing the air filter and cleaning the MAF sensor resolved the issue completely. In a BMW 3 Series from 2019 to 2024, cracks in the exhaust manifold caused false rich readings and the P0175 code. The solution was welding the cracks and recalibrating the sensors to restore proper function. These examples highlight the diverse causes of P0175 codes, from electrical faults to sensor contamination and mechanical issues. Proactive maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of a P0175 code. Regularly inspect and replace your air filter. Use high-quality fuel to minimize fuel injector contamination. Perform regular vacuum leak checks, especially on older vehicles. Monitor your fuel economy for any sudden drops. Have your O2 sensors checked periodically as they degrade over time, typically lasting 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Addressing minor issues early can prevent them from escalating into a P0175 code situation. The P0175 code primarily affects internal combustion engine vehicles, but its relevance is expected to decline as electric vehicles become more prevalent. However, for the foreseeable future, it remains a common issue in ICE vehicles. Advanced driver assistance systems are integrating with diagnostics to predict potential P0175 precursors. Eco-friendly repairs, like reusable O2 sensor kits and carbon-neutral solvents, are gaining traction. AI diagnostics are also expected to evolve, enabling more accurate failure prediction and preventive maintenance. The code will diminish in prevalence as EVs take over the automotive industry.